That's all I hear outside. It's motorbikes going off down the other side. It's you know, there's two of them. They live down the side there. But it's ridiculous, especially late at night. I mean, come on. It's people want to sleep. You know, they're late at night. You don't need a bunch of motorbikes going off all the time. It's just stupid. But then, who am I? But I'm hoping somewhere down the line, not so far away in the months, that I'll be moving down south, cause it's just so much issues up here. So I might as well just go down south. But I don't want to go back to Wales. So I may just go back and live in the border towns. Yeah, that's the plan.